Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going back in history to talk about a foundational text in philosophy and science. Discourse on the method by René Descartes. Descartes is one of the key figures in shaping modern thinking, and this book is where he lays out this method for acquiring knowledge. If you have ever wondered about the nature of reality, doubt, and certainty, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you will understand how Descartes turned philosophy on its head and why his famous words, Cogito ergo sum, I think, therefore I am, are still so relevant today. Let's dive in. Descartes opened the discourse in the method by addressing a very personal quest for truth. He begins by talking about his own journey of doubt. He asked himself, how can we be sure of anything in a world full of uncertainty? Everything could be a lie, or perhaps a dream. He goes so far as to doubt his own existence. This is where Descartes introduces the concept of radical doubt, where he questions everything that is not absolutely certain. Now, Descartes presents that what he calls the method of doubt. To find truth, he decides to reject anything that could possibly be false. This means even trusting the senses or the body is not enough because our senses can deceive us. For instance, a stick in water looks bent, but it's not. Our senses can't always be trusted. So Descartes builds his philosophy by eliminating everything that is uncertain. If there is any doubt about it, it is out. This leaves him searching for something that cannot be doubted. After all this doubt, Descartes arrives at one single unshakable truth, the fact that he is thinking. This leads to the famous phrase cogito ergo sum, that is, I think, therefore I am. No matter how much he doubts the world around him, the one thing that remains certain is his own existence. Because if he is doubting, he must be thinking, and if he is thinking, he must exist. This becomes the foundation of all knowledge for Descartes. The very act of thinking proves his own existence. From here, Descartes shifts focus to understanding God and the world. He reasons that since he, a finite being, has the idea of an infinite God in his mind, this idea must have come from a perfect source, that is, God himself. For Descartes, God is not a deceiver. He believes that because God is perfect, he would not allow Descartes to be consistently deceived by his senses. This is how Descartes justifies the reliability of clear and distinct perceptions, believing they are placed in us by a perfect God. In the latter part of the discourse on the method, Descartes explores how the world can be understood as a machine. He suggests that the physical universe operates according to mathematical laws and principles, much like a clockwork system. Descartes was one of the first to apply this mechanical perspective to nature, laying the groundwork for the scientific revolution. According to him, everything in the world, including animals, can be understood through reason and mathematics, eliminating the need for supernatural explanations. Descartes argues that reason, not just sensory experience, should be the guiding force in acquiring knowledge. This leads to the birth of modern scientific thinking, an approach that values logic, deduction, and experimentation. He introduces the importance of methodical thinking in solving problems and approaching knowledge. This was groundbreaking as it challenged the reliance on tradition and authority that dominated before Descartes. Discourse on the method is more than just a philosophical test. It is a call for clarity, reason, and deep re-questioning of the world around us. Descartes shows us that by doubting everything, we can come to discover the only undeniable truth, our ability to think. His ideas didn't just influence philosophy, they laid the foundation for modern science and rational thought. If there is one takeaway from this book, it's the importance of doubt and questioning everything to find what is truly certain. So, which part of Descartes' journey of doubt resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comment. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more book breakdowns, and share this with anyone who is curious about how to think critically and explore the world in new ways. Until next time, keep questioning, keep thinking, and remember, cogito ergo sum. That is, I think, therefore I am.